Lionel Messi, a name that resonates with football fans around the world, a name that has become synonymous with greatness, skill, and sheer talent. But who is Lionel Messi? To understand the man behind the legend, we must journey through his life, exploring not just his achievements on the pitch, but the challenges he faced off it. Before we dive deep into this fascinating story, let me encourage you to subscribe to Ali Trainings for learning English in a fun way. By following along, not only will you learn about one of the greatest athletes in history, but you will also improve your English skills through engaging storytelling. Now, let's begin. Lionel Messi was born on June 4, 1907, in Rosario, Argentina. Rosario is a bustling city known for its rich culture and vibrant life. But for young Messi, it was also the place where his dreams began to take shape. From a very young age, Messi showed an extraordinary talent for football. He would often be found playing in the streets, dribbling the ball with an agility that left his friends in awe. However, it wasn't long before his family noticed something unusual about him. You see, Messi was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency, a condition that meant he would grow much slower than his peers. This diagnosis posed significant challenges for him and his family, both emotionally and financially. To put it simply, a growth hormone deficiency means that the body does not produce enough of the hormone responsible for growth. In Messi's case, this meant he faced the possibility of not growing to a normal height, which could hinder his chances of pursuing a career in professional sports. His family, particularly his father, Jorge Messi, was determined to help him overcome this obstacle. They sought treatment, but the cost was high. It was a difficult situation, and many families in similar circumstances might have given up. But not the Messi family. They believed in Lionel's talent and were willing to make sacrifices. At the age of 13, Messi faced a pivotal moment in his life. FC Barcelona, one of the biggest football clubs in the world, took notice of his extraordinary skills. They offered him a chance to join their youth academy, La Masia. However, there was a catch. Messi and his family would have to move to Spain, leaving behind their home in Argentina. It was a daunting decision, but the opportunity was too good to pass up. With a heavy heart, his family packed their bags and relocated to Barcelona. It was a leap of faith, one that would change their lives forever. When Messi arrived in Spain, he faced yet another challenge. He was in a new country, speaking a different language, and living far away from everything he had ever known. Imagine being a young boy, trying to find your place in a world that feels foreign. But Messi was not one to back down. He threw himself into his training, learning not just the game, but also the language and culture around him. His determination and hard work began to pay off. He quickly rose through the ranks of the youth teams, showcasing his incredible talent and earning the nickname La Pulga, which means the flea in Spanish, due to his small stature and agility. As he progressed, Messi began to catch the attention of the first-team coaches. In 2004, at just 17 years old, he made his debut for FC Barcelona. It was a dream come true, but the journey was just beginning. The world was about to witness the emergence of a footballing genius. His first goal came soon after, and with it, he announced his arrival on the grand stage of football. But it wasn't just his goals that made him special. It was his ability to weave through defenders, his vision on the field, and his unselfish play. He was not just a scorer, he was a creator, a magician with the ball at his feet. As the years went by, Messi's career continued to soar. He became the backbone of FC Barcelona, leading the team to numerous victories and breaking records left and right. His partnership with players like Xavi and Iniesta formed one of the most formidable attacking trios in football history. Together, they played a style of football known as tiki-taka, characterized by short passes and movement, maintaining possession, and creating scoring opportunities. This style not only brought success to Barcelona, but also revolutionized the game itself. But with great success came immense pressure. The expectations placed on Messi were astronomical. Fans and pundits alike expected him to perform at an elite level every single match. The weight of the world seemed to rest on his shoulders. Yet time and again, he delivered. He won multiple Ballon d'Or awards, an accolade given to the best player in the world. solidifying his status as one of the greatest footballers of all time. His rivalry with Cristiano Ronaldo became a defining feature of the sport, as both players pushed each other to new heights, captivating audiences around the globe. Despite his fame and fortune, Messi remained grounded. He often credited his family for keeping him connected to his roots. In 2008, he helped Argentina win the Olympic gold medal, a moment that was incredibly special to him. However, international success would prove to be elusive for many years. Messi faced criticism for not winning a major tournament with the national team, a burden that weighed heavily on him. The pressure mounted, and there were moments when he contemplated retirement from international football. But with the support of his teammates and fans, he persevered. In 2021, after years of heartache, Messi finally achieved his dream of winning a major international trophy with Argentina. The Copa America victory was a culmination of years of hard work, and it brought tears to his eyes. It was a moment of redemption, a moment that silenced the critics and allowed him to finally celebrate with his country. The victory was not just for Messi, it was for every young boy and girl in Argentina who dreamed of following in his footsteps. As Messi continued to dazzle on the field, he also became a role model off it. He established the Leo Messi Foundation, which focuses on access to education and healthcare for vulnerable children. He understood the importance of giving back, using his platform to make a difference in the lives of those less fortunate. His humility and kindness shone through, endearing him to fans worldwide. In 2021, after spending his entire professional career at FC Barcelona, Messi faced another life-changing moment. Due to financial constraints, the club could no longer afford to keep him, and he made the difficult decision to leave. It was an emotional farewell, as he had spent over 2 decades at the club that had nurtured his talent. But new opportunities awaited him, and he signed with Paris Saint-Germain, embarking on a new chapter in his career. Throughout his journey, Lionel Messi has faced numerous challenges, but he has always risen above them. He has shown us that with determination, hard work, and a little bit of magic, anything is possible. His story is not just one of football, it is a story of resilience, passion, and the pursuit of dreams. As we reflect on his incredible life and career, let us remember that greatness is not just about talent, it is about the heart and soul you put into your craft. So, as we conclude this biography of Lionel Messi, let us take a moment to appreciate the lessons we can learn from his life. Whether you are a football fan or not, Messi's journey teaches us the importance of perseverance, the value of family, and the impact of kindness. And as you continue to learn English through stories, remember that every great achievement starts with a dream that you can turn into reality with hard work and dedication. Don't forget to subscribe to Ali Trainings for more engaging content that will help you learn English in a fun way. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the life of Lionel Messi.